Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to skew a photo on VSCO. So first of all you want to open the VSCO application, so just click on the icon on your screen and then you want to go to the Studio tab, which is this icon right here in the center of the bottom of the VSCO. Then you want to select a photo that you would like to skew. So let's say I want to skew this one. And then, as you can see, you need to press the editing button, which is right here. Then, by going to the tools, which is this icon right here, the same icon as on an edit, you want to click adjust. If you can see it right here, just look for it by swiping to the right. And as you can see, here is the option crop and straighten and also the skew. So you want to click on the skew, and here as you can see you can skew the photo just by sliding to the right or to the left. So maybe let's make the photo look like this one, a little bit forward, as you can see, because the photo is made like, you know, to see the top of the building. So let's make it maybe like this one, and just click the tick to save it. And now you can go on with the whole editing process, or you can just save it by clicking next, deselecting to post on VSCO, or maybe you want to post on VSCO already, so make sure that this is selected if you want to, but I don't want to right now, and just click save to save the picture. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.